So here we have the Mini 5-door hatchback on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Just briefly before we climb in the car, I think it's what we're seeing in the boot space just here. You can see you get plenty of space. You can fold this tray section down to kind of level the rear so that when you fold the back seats you have a level surface throughout, and obviously you can lift and remove it if you want more boot space. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left, speedometer in the middle, and the fuel gauge on the right hand side. Also in the middle you can see the total miles of this car. They're 43,301. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information. You can also have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed there should you wish to. Over in the center, we then have the stereo for the car. So up on here, you can press the main menu button, use this dial to go through any of these different settings you want to. You can pair your phone from here, you can access your radio. As you can see there, we have AM, FM and DAB radio available. You can go back to the menu button, access your own music, USB and auxiliary inputs available to you there, and then you have various bits of vehicle information, so your trip computer at the end. Main volume for the stereo is just here. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase or decrease the fan speed, determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Air conditioning is on at the minute. That button turns it off, back on. You can hit auto. The car will recirculate the air that's inside the car currently. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperatures you've set just here. And you can press auto to put it on, to turn it off. You can recirculate the air and turn that off from there as well. We have our rear heated screen just there, below which we have the button that starts and stops the engine for the car. We can turn the traction control off, and we can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic, which will save you fuel. That system is off when that orange light shows. And then we finally have the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.